Observability is not just knowing the problem is happening, but knowing why it is happening and knowing how I can go in and fix it.
We have logs, we have metrics, but as we look at distributed systems like microservices, containerized microservices, really, like there is this thing that's missing, which is understanding interactions between these services.
Now we get full visibility across our entire lifecycle.
A distributed tracing solution like Lightstep was kind of this missing tool in the toolbox.
So we have about a little over 100 services in production today at 5 different languages. How do you scale that out in an organization? How do you manage having different libraries and all those different systems and being able to rapidly develop in those?
One of the things that Lightstep and the tools that we're kind of adopting is helping us get to this place of what is the user experiencing and how does that affect the decisions that we make. We came from a very traditional APM format. The old tools, the old school kind of tools that we had, there's no way to find that out.
With a log-based solution or maybe metrics, you might get a clue that there is some question to ask or something to interrogate about the system you're looking at. Like with Lightstep, you can almost immediately drill down into it. So it's this difference between never finding the problem or never really being able to understand what's going on and instantaneously seeing all of the relevant information.
We did a deploy, and because of the near real time of what's showing up in our dashboard, we immediately saw these handful of weird outliers. Yeah, there actually is an issue there, and then it just drove us right to where it was.
And so Lightstep saves you a ton of time.
It's really neat to be able to then go in Lightstep and see the whole service graph visually displayed out. That's very helpful because it allows us to very quickly then immediately go to the target problem rather than having to piece that through numbers and metrics on a graph. And we really didn't have that visibility, even with our Zipkin infrastructure prior, that we have now with Lightstep.
I think it is critical that we care about the actual end user experience, probably more so than anything else. And Lightstep has been instrumental in that because now we can say, from all the way to the front end of the UI, all the way through the API calls, all the way through the back end, we can trace out that entire experience.